Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this sailor bow. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create my bow. First, I'm folding my bow fabric in half like that and pinning edges together. Next, I'm using this ruler to mark each end on this fabric like that, and I will be marking 1/2 centimeter on top, and I'll sew there, and then I'll leave middle open. I'm using straight stitch sewing machine to sew edges together. On top edge, I will sew 1/2 centimeter seam of the edge. We'll leave that middle open. So this is how it looks, cutting excess cotton off. Next, I'm cutting all of the excess fabric off on each corner there, and I'm reversing my bow pattern to the right side, sharpening all corners with a pin like that, so the corners are nice and sharp on both sides. Next, I will sew up this middle opening with the sewing machine, approximately 1 millimeter from the edge. And this is how it looks. Next, I will sew this button piece, approximately 1 centimeter seam allowance. So it looks like that, cutting that excess fabric off and reversing my pattern to the right side. So it looks like that, 1 centimeter wide. Next, I'm ironing these 2 pattern pieces flat, and here they are. Next, I'm folding this bow pattern piece like that. I'll repeat that, one side and then over other side. Next, I will gather this bow pattern. I'm cutting off the cotton fabric and I'm gathering this bow pattern in the middle like that, and I'll be covering that middle opening seam with other side of the pattern like that, so that seam is hidden. Next, I'm wrapping this cotton around in the middle. I'm securing the bow together with the cotton, making a knot at the back, and here's my bow. Next, I'll prepare this bow middle strap pattern. I'm entering this strap inside this embellishment like that, and cutting that thread off so it's not hanging. Next, I'll glue this strap in the middle there. I'm applying hot glue at the back of the bow and gluing end of this strap at the back there like that, and then applying more glue in the middle of the front bow and gluing that embellishment in the middle of the bow there so it's nice and secure like that. Next, I'll glue this hair clip at the back of the bow. I'm applying hot glue at the back of the hair clip like that, and I'm gluing this hair clip at the back of the bow there. I'm applying hot glue in the middle of the bow there, and I'm wrapping this strap inside of the inner hair clip like that, so it's inside so I can close my hair clip, and I'll be sewing the edge of this strap in the middle there so it's nice and secure. Also, I'm attaching each end of this hair clip to the bow so it's nice and secure, and it looks like that. Looks nice and cute, and my bow is finished. If you have any questions how I made this sailor bow, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.